Let us solve MCQ questions in Chapter 5 Government Budget and the Economy for Term 1 examinations for economics subjects plus 2 students. The question number 1. The primary deficit in a government budget will be 0 when A. Revenue deficit is 0, net interest payments are 0, fiscal deficit is 0, fiscal deficit is equal to interest payments. Actually, what do you mean by primary deficit? It is a deficit indicates the borrowing requirements of the government to meet fiscal deficit and net of interest payments. Otherwise, it is a requirements of the government for making other than interest payments. Here, primary deficit in government budget will be equal when the fiscal deficit is equal to interest payments. That is a correct answer. Option D is a correct answer. And then question number 2. Which of the following is not a capital expenditure? Here, loans advanced by World Bank, construction of school building, repayment of loans, purchase of metro coaches from Japan. Construction of school buildings, that is a capital expenditure. Repayment of loans, capital expenditure. Purchase of metro coaches from Japan, that is a capital expenditure. Loans advanced by World Bank, that is a capital receipt. So that is a correct answer because it is not a capital expenditure. Answer A, it is a correct answer. And then question number 3. Primary deficit in borrowing requirements of the government for making interest payments, other than interest payments, all types of payments, some specific payments. B is the correct answer. As I had already told about what is primary deficit. Primary deficit is a borrowing requirements of government for making, that is to meet the physical deficit net of interest payment. So other than interest payment, that is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. And then question number 4. Fiscal deficit equals to primary deficit minus interest payments, primary deficit plus interest payment. That is a correct answer. B is a correct answer. Primary deficit plus interest payment. That is a correct answer. Question number 5. Identify the correctly matched pair of the items in column A to those of column B. Column A. Fiscal deficit other than interest payments, primary deficit borrowings less interest payments, revenue receipt borrowings, tax receipt borrowings in government budget. Here, primary deficit, that means the borrowing less interest payment. That is a correct match, the correct pair. So, 2 is the correct answer. Here, which one is B? 2B. That is B is the correct answer. And then question number 3. Which of the following sources of receipts in government budget increases liability? Direct taxes, recovery of loans, borrowings, dividend from public sector undertakings. Normally, borrowing will increase the liabilities of the government. So, borrowings, that will be the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 7. Identify the correctly matched pair in column A to that of column B. That is excise duty, capital receipts, income tax, direct tax, earning from public sector units, indirect tax, old age pensions, non-tax revenue receipts. Here income tax is coming under the direct tax. So that is the correct answer. So option B is the correct answer. And then fiscal deficit equals interest payments, borrowings, interest payments less borrowings, borrowings less interest payments. Normally fiscal deficit equals to borrowing. So option B is the correct answer. Primary deficit in government budget is revenue expenditure minus revenue receipts, total expenditure minus total receipts, total deficit minus interest payments, fiscal deficit minus interest payments. Primary deficit we normally know that is fiscal deficit minus interest payments. So option D is the correct answer. Question number 10. Identify the correctly matched pair of the items in column A to those of column B. Revenue expenditure does not cause any reduction in government liability. Capital expenditure which causes corresponding liability for the government. Revenue receipts which causes reduction in assets of the government. Capital receipts causes reduction in government liability. Here revenue expenditure, that means revenue receipts. Revenue receipts do not create any liability for the government. For example, taxes received by the government, unlike borrowings, do not create any liability for it. So, answer A is the correct answer. Revenue expenditure here, revenue expenditure means revenue receipts does not cause any reduction in government liability. So, option A is the correct answer. Question number 11. Which one of the following is the combination of direct taxes? Direct taxes, we know wealth tax, income tax, gift tax are all coming under the direct taxes. Here, excise duty and wealth tax, it's not correct. Service tax and income tax, it's not correct. Excise duty and service tax, it is not correct. Wealth tax and income tax, that is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Match the items in column A to those of column and choose the correct pair. GST is an indirect tax, it is correct. Income tax, burden can be shifted. No, burden cannot be shifted, that is correct. And then fine, it is a direct tax. No, it is indirect tax. Tax receipt, capital receipt. No, it is a revenue receipt. So the correct answer is GST, indirect tax. That is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. And then the non-tax revenue in the following is export duty, import duty, excise, and then dividends. Dividends is the non-tax revenue. Other things, export, import duty, and then excise duty are, tax revenue. Here, non-tax revenue is only dividend. So, answer C is the correct answer. And then question number 14. Match the items in column A to those in column B and choose the correct option. And then balanced budget. The total anticipated expenditure less than total anticipated revenue. That is not correct. Surplus budget. That means total expenditure greater than total revenue, that is deficit budget, that is not correct. Capital budget means capital receipt plus capital expenditure, that is correct. And then so option C is the correct answer. And then question number 15, which of the following statements is true? And then expenditure Ujjwala Yojana launched by the government is an example of capital expenditure. Expenditure on Ujjwala Yojana launched by the government on the expenditure of revenue expenditure, example of revenue expenditure. And expenditure on Ujjwala Yojana launched by the government is an example of deferred revenue expenditure. None of the statements are correct. Here we have to classify whether it is a capital expenditure or revenue expenditure or deferred revenue expenditure. First of all, we should know Ujjwala Yojana, it was enacted in 2016. It has to distribute 50 million LPG cylinders to the poverty line people residing, living under poverty line. The budgeted amount is 80 billion rupees. So here it is, please understand, expenditure on Ujjwala Yojana launched by the government is an example of capital expenditure. That is a correct answer. So option A is correct. Borrowing in government budget is revenue deficit, fiscal deficit, and then primary deficit and deficit in taxes. So fiscal deficit is a correct answer. So option B is a correct answer. Identify which of the following is true. Question number 17. The difference between the planned revenue expenditure and planned revenue receipt is fiscal deficit. Which is true? They are asking. It is false. And then B, the difference between the total planned expenditure and total planned receipt is called fiscal deficit. That is also false. The difference between total planned receipts and interest payment is called primary deficit. That is also false. The sum of primary deficit and interest payment is called fiscal deficit. That is correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. And then question number 18. Which of the following statement is true? The government borrowings from World Bank is a revenue receipt. That is wrong. It is a capital receipt. Higher fiscal deficit is a result of higher revenue receipt. That is also wrong. The loans taken by the government represent a situation of a fiscal deficit. That is exact and the correct answer. So option C is the correct answer. Question number 19. Which of the following is a direct tax? Corporation tax, entertainment tax, excise tax, and then service tax. Excise duty. Here, excise duty is the direct tax because the burden of tax and the liability to pay, it falls on the same person. Here, the manufacturer, the goods manufacturer, that is excise duty, falls on a same person. So, answer C, option C is the correct answer. Which of the following is a source of capital receipt? Foreign donations, dividends, disinvestments, indirect taxes. What they are asking? Capital receipt. Here, actually, the disinvestment is the correct answer. That is the capital receipt. So, option C is the correct answer. Question number 21. Direct tax is called direct because it is collected directly from the producer on goods purchased, the sellers on goods sold, the buyers of goods, the income earners. Direct tax means actually it is collected from the income earner. That is the correct answer. Option D is the correct. And then which of the following is not a revenue receipt? Recovery of loans, and then foreign grants, profits of public enterprises, wealth tax. Here recovery of loans, it is not a revenue receipt. Actually, it is a capital receipt. So, recovery of loans, that is a correct answer. Option A is a correct answer. And then question number 23. Purchase of shares is related to dash. Actually, investment in shares is an asset. Actually, purchase of shares is an investment for the government and increases asset. So, which one we have to classify? That is revenue receipt, revenue expenditure, and then capital receipt, and then capital expenditure. So, purchase of share is related to capital expenditure. Option D is the correct answer. And then revenue budget includes revenue receipts of the government, revenue expenditure of the government. We know the revenue budget is both revenue receipt and as well as revenue expenditure. That is a correct answer. So capital receipt of the government and both A and B. So both A and B is a correct answer. Option D is a correct answer. And then question number 25. The focus of the government budget is to maximize the fiscal deficit, the minimize the fiscal deficit, the maximize expenditure, maximize revenue. So the purpose, the focus of the government budget is to minimize fiscal deficit. That is a correct answer. Option D, B. Option B is the correct answer.